Today, we're diving into an important topic for gardeners: how to prevent pests in my garden organically. Keeping your garden free of pests without the use of chemicals is not only better for the environment, but also for your health and the health of your plants. Let's explore some organic methods to keep those pesky intruders at bay. First off, prevention is always key. Healthy plants are less likely to attract pests, so focusing on building strong, vibrant plants is your first line of defense. This means enriching your soil with compost, ensuring proper watering, and choosing plant varieties that are known to be more resistant to pests. Introducing beneficial insects to your garden is another effective strategy. Ladybugs, lacewings, and predatory mites are natural predators of common garden pests like aphids and spider mites. You can attract these helpful critters by planting flowers they love, such as marigolds, sunflowers, and daisies, or by purchasing them from a reputable supplier and releasing them into your garden. Another organic method is the use of barriers and traps. Floating row covers can protect your plants from a variety of insects while still allowing sunlight, air, and water to penetrate. Sticky traps can catch flying insects like whiteflies and fungus gnats. And sometimes something as simple as a barrier of crushed eggshells can deter slugs and snails. Companion planting is not only an effective way to optimize space, but can also repel pests. Certain plants, when grown together, can help each other ward off insects or even improve growth. For example, planting garlic near roses can help repel aphids, and marigolds can deter nematodes and tomato hornworms when planted near tomatoes. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of natural remedies. Neem oil, a natural pesticide, can deter a wide range of garden pests when sprayed directly onto plant foliage. Similarly, a spray made from diluted soap, using a biodegradable, non-toxic soap, can effectively control aphid populations without harming your plants or the environment. In conclusion, protecting your garden from pests organically requires a combination of strategies, including promoting plant health, inviting beneficial insects, using physical barriers and traps, practicing companion planting, and applying natural remedies. Each garden is unique, so it may take some experimentation to find the right balance for yours. Thank you for watching. Remember, organic pest control is not only about protecting our plants, but also about preserving the health of our planet and ourselves. With these methods, you can enjoy a thriving, pest-free garden the natural way. Happy organic gardening.